Yeah, 2 pounds, 3 ounce bass right here at Mark Twain Lake. Not bad at all for the first one of the year. That's pretty pumped up. So I'm gonna release it back in the water and to catch again another day. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jason here with Strike 3 Fishing. We're on Mark Twain Lake. It's April 27th, I believe, and 26th, 27th. It's actually a Tuesday morning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning right now. So we're gonna go check a new area of the lake. I haven't fished for a while. We're just gonna do a little hodgepodge video today for you. We're gonna try to bass fish a little bit with the spinnerbait. You know, it's that time of year with the spinnerbait. We're going to try to see if we can roll up on a few bass, catch a few bass, and then we're going to drop down on a few crappie. We're going to kind of test the banks too a little bit. I don't think they're up there yet. Obviously water temperature, what I got here is 53, so I doubt it. But I'm just going to go test the waters, check out some creek channels back here in some timber, see if we got some crappie staging up, ready to move in. And anyway, just like a hodgepodge video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. I really enjoyed bringing it to you. You know, like I said in the last video, we are up to almost 2,000 subscribers. You know, we're like 220, 230 away. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell to get some notifications when I got new content out. So thanks again for everybody watching. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoys the video. Boom, right there. Nice Mark Twain Lake bass right there, first one of the year. Probably 2.5 pounder. Mark Twain Lake Lure Company spinnerbait, 1/2 ounce. Arden Apex rod. The C-Force reel from Arden right there. So 20-pound test line, can't beat it. Awesome fish right there. I'm gonna get a picture with it and then release it back in the water. Come right off that tree right there on that spinnerbait right there. Pull that spinnerbait by that stump there in about 4 or 5 foot of water, and he got it. Yeah, 2 pounds, 3 ounce bass right here at Mark Twain Lake. Not bad at all for the first one of the year. That's pretty pumped up. So I'm going to release it back in the water and to catch again another day. That was on the orange peel, 1/8 ounce thumper peel head, new color by Thumper Jigs right there. Crappie. Right there. Another nice Mark Twain Lake crappie right there. Drop down on the live scope. Well, I hope everybody's enjoying this video so far. What I'm going to do, I'm going to skip a couple days ahead. Went out again bass fishing. It was kind of rainy and the bass just wasn't cooperating for me. So I saw a few crappie on live scope. Some of these crappie were starting to pull to the bank, I noticed, and now they're pulling back off. This cold front's coming in, and now we got a lot of rain coming, so who knows what's going to do to the lake. But anyway, we're going to have a few more crappie catches for you here in a second. But, well, everybody, I kind of want to go over the setups with you that I used in this video. Pretty much the same Edgar rod, 10-foot rod here, jigging rod right there. It's upside down, I know, but two-piece 10-foot rod, medium heavy, 10-pound sniping braid. I've got a Arden 2000 finesse spinning reel, and we are throwing this new 1/8 ounce orange peel head from Thumper Jigs. So that's new on the market right now. Check them out. Thumper Jigs on Facebook. Get a hold of Van. 217-638-3474. I'll put the number down below here. And that's pretty much what we dropped down on them crappie on. I had a black and chartreuse plastic on there for muddy water baits. On the bass now, I think I showed you guys in the video, but I just want to kind of go over again what I was using. And that was the Ardent C-Force bait casting reel. 7:0 to 1 gear ratio. Awesome reel. I was using the Mark Twain Lure Company spinnerbait. This is actually another spinnerbait that I tied on yesterday. The other one I actually lost it, so I tied this one on. But 1/2 ounce spinnerbait from Mark Twain Lure Company, and the Apex series spinnerbait rod from Ardent, 7.2 medium heavy. So anyway, let's get back to the video. I'm gonna quit talking. Enjoy the rest of the fish catches, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Orange peel head right there. Nice crappie right there. Bass aren't biting, so we're gonna drop down on a couple crappie when we see them. Put him in the box, maybe we'll get a few today. Another crappie. Turned into a crappie trip since I passed it, right? There's number 2. There's another crappie right there, open water crappie. There's another keeper right there.